get to inspire other people. And now, masasabi ko na finally na nakakatulong na kami sa family namin. Dahil din sa inyo yun. And hindi naman namin masasabi na perfect yung group namin, but we have the perfect memories. We have the perfect team, and we have the perfect support system, which is kaming lima, and yung family namin. Actually, kanina, habang nagpa-perform kami ng Go Up, medyo emotional ako kasi yung Go Up kasi sobrang proud ako sa sarili. Eme lang! Hindi, joke lang. Hindi. Ang hirap naman kasi umiyak eh.